Now show Grandma how the horse talks.
How they talk to one another.
Do it again. How do they talk?
How do they talk with one?
Put them in front of each other. Let them talk. Bella.
Now, how do they communicate? Bella, when they're in front of each other, how do they talk?
Look at this, Grandma. Look at.
Do the sound. Do the sound, Mama. How do they talk when they're in front of each other?
How do they talk to each other?
I don't know.
How does it go?
How does it go? How do they talk?
On a middle.
No, that's flying. How do they talk?
She's got deaf horses. They're communicating.
How do they talk?
How do they talk, Mama? How does it go? Show me. Show me. We'll go buy you candy.